Choosing the right adhesive for metal to plastic assembly or repair is critical for longevity and aesthetics. The category spans cyanoacrylates, superglues, with fast set times and strong initial bond, gel formulations for vertical applications, and specialty silicone adhesives designed for silicone to silicone or rubber to surface bonding. Product number 1. Clenimagi 2-Pack Metal Glue. A 2-pack of high-strength cyanoacrylate adhesive designed for metal-to-metal and multi-material bonding with a clear, dry, water resistance and heat resistance clamp. The package emphasizes leak-proof upgraded seals and a precision tip for controlled application, making it attractive for DIY repairs where clean joints are important. The formula is described as suitable for metals like steel, zinc, and aluminum, and claims compatibility with rubber, wood, epoxy resin, ABS, and PVC, while noting exclusions for PE, PP, or certain synthetics. The product volume is 118 milliliters in total, with a relatively high viscosity designed to reduce stripping and improve gap filling on uneven surfaces. Performance-wise, this glue sets quickly and dries clear with a full cure around 24 hours. The combination of 2 bottles in one package provides budget-friendly volume for multiple repairs, and the precision tip supports controlled spots for repair tasks such as reattaching small metal components or fixtures. The formula's heat and water resistance suggests suitability for lightweight outdoor and automotive tasks, though its long-term resilience under continuous thermal cycling or exposure to solvents should be interpreted with caution. User experience benefits include a robust seal to prevent premature drying and a transparent finish that minimizes visible residue on visually critical surfaces. Product number 2. Gorilla Superglue Gel XL. A gel-based cyanoacrylate from Gorilla designed for vertical surfaces and non-drip performance. The gel formulation is intended to prevent runs on vertical or inclined joints while still delivering a strong bond across glass, plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, and leather. It's a clear adhesive with an anti-clog cap to maintain usability over time and a fast setting window of 10 to 45 seconds with a 24-hour full cure. The product's packaging emphasizes a versatile, all-purpose bond with good adhesion on metal surfaces and a relatively user-friendly dispensing experience. In practice, the gel's higher viscosity improves control on vertical assemblies or porous surfaces where liquid glues would slide away. The bond develops quickly, but based on substrate compatibility, some metals or plastics with low surface energy might still benefit from surface roughening or priming for optimal adhesion. The anti-clog cap reduces waste, and the crystal clear finish aids aesthetic tolerances on visible joints. However, as a general-use glue, it may not match specialty silicone or epoxy in extreme temperature or chemical exposure environments. Product number 3. Woldo Clean Superglue for Metal 25 grams extra strong metal glue. A 25-gram bottle marketed as extra strong metal glue for stainless steel and aluminum with a universal bonding capability to metal, rubber, plastic, wood, ceramics, and more. It touts high heat resistance, -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 239 degrees Fahrenheit, and water and chemical resistance, making it suitable for automotive repairs, outdoor use, and other demanding environments. The product includes a precision tip and an anti-clog cap to sustain usability and a long shelf life up to 2 years. The high viscosity liquid is designed to hold fast on vertical or irregular surfaces. Performance-wise, users can expect instant or near-instant grab on metal surfaces with a durable seal after full cure in 24 hours. The bond strength and resistance to environmental stressors are attractive for repairs that may encounter moisture or temperature fluctuations. The product's compatibility with multiple substrates adds flexibility for mixed material repairs, but the user should note that extremely high thermal cycling or continuous immersion in hydrocarbons may eventually degrade the bond if exposed beyond specified limits. Product number 4. Gorilla Superglue with Brush. A dual dispense option from Gorilla featuring both a brush and precision nozzle for controlled application. The gel-like consistency supports quick bonding with a clear finish, and it's designed for fast setting, 10 to 45 seconds, with a 24-hour full cure. The brush application provides a convenience factor for broader coverage or more fluid surfaces, while the precision nozzle supports targeted repairs on small objects. User experience highlights include the flexibility of 2 dispensing methods for different task types, good impact resistance as typical with Gorilla products, and a straightforward, fast-drying bond suitable for a wide range of materials, including metal. On the downside, the water resistance rating is noted as not water resistant in the technical spec, which implies limited outdoor exposure resistance. The medium viscosity helps on slightly uneven surfaces, but may require roughening the substrate for best results on very smooth metals.
Product number 5. ACE PEA 30-gram silicone glue. Fast bonding. A dedicated silicone-based adhesive designed for bonding silicone to silicone and silicone to various substrates. This product highlights fast bonding in 15 seconds with a 24-hour cure, 30-gram volume, and 3 applicator nozzles for precise control. It emphasizes weatherproof performance, moisture resistance, and applicability to silicone-based components common in automotive, consumer electronics, and wearables. The formulation targets silicone rubber, liquid silicone, and related elastomers, making it a strong choice for silicone-centric assemblies. Performance-wise, silicone adhesives excel in flexible bonds and thermal stability, though their strength can be more modest in rigid metal-to-plastic joints compared with cyanoacrylates. This product's 3-nozzle setup improves application control on small or irregular joints, and the weatherproof claim makes it appealing for outdoor or bathroom installations where moisture is a concern. Real-world use suggests it's particularly effective for silicone parts, gaskets, or wearable hardware. For metal to plastic joints, consider pairing with a more aggressive cyanoacrylate if stiffness is required.